Moon Prism Power Makeup. Right. Moon Prism Power Makeup. 너? 기레이데쇼?
Alright guys, so we're gonna continue doing an art makeup with this green, yes. And first of all, before we apply anything, we need some tada concealer. We're gonna use our fingertips.
너?
We're gonna be choosing. Okay, let's try this. Wow! And don't be afraid.
너?
Tap this.
기레이데쇼? 바로 이거네. 맞아.
And a little bit of this. And this. Alright, it's not yet done. So let's try this. It's working. But I think I need to wear like this. Okay, let's move on to eyeliner. So, are you ready? This time we're gonna be applying basic flowers. Look at that. Daisy, Daisy, Daisy. Cutie. Cutie. And then let's put some dots. And then we're gonna create stems using this white. So excited. Alright guys, so for the yellow daisies in the center, we need to put the yellow. But first, we need a brush like this. It's very thin. So it's a gouache brush and you need to dip it in a water so that it will stick properly. It's like a watercolor steps.
I'm using line from Misha number 21.
Okay, next, see the eyebrows. Eyebrows.
너? 기레이데쇼?
Then
바로 이거네.
eyebrow gel.
맞아.
And don't forget to put concealer on your eyebrows. Okay. So that it will be more defined. Guys, mascara. contour. Highlighter.
また
Lipstick. And guys, I have this like improvised. So we're gonna be using this stencil, Dear Stencil, and we're gonna put it here. So I got it from You Can Be palette that I'll be reviewing very soon. So please stay tuned, guys. Wow. It has free stickers and can't wait to use it. And that's why I'm gonna use it now. We'll be using this color.
どう？綺麗でしょ？
I think I need darker shade of, oh, yes, this one.
どう？綺麗でしょ？
Ta-da! So 1, 2, 3. Whoa! Wow! So cute. Make her use that.
どう？綺麗でしょ？
So cute. And let's move on to final look.
Okay guys, so it's time to put your falsies and then eyeliner. Don't forget.
悪い子ね。
And then guys, eyeliner.
A single word I'm saying, do you? Oh, sure, of course I believe you. Great. Just repeat the words I'm about to say, all right? Moon, prism, power, makeup. Right. Moon, prism, power, makeup.
Alright guys, so the next thing that we're gonna be doing is that we're gonna be applying finally the purple. Yes, the purple shade palette here from BEAUTYGLAZED, and I'm so excited. So this is gonna be like impromptu. I do have like I'm gonna be trying to draw grapes here and maybe flowers like this. Okay, let's get it on. Yeah, I don't have any BB cream on my face because I washed it and I cleaned my face. So we're gonna be using this. This is my favorite. This is from Etude House Double Lasting Foundation, and I'm using the shade of Petal.
どう？綺麗でしょ？悪い子ね。また。
Alright guys, don't forget to put some concealer. It's gonna be the same concealer that we're gonna be using. It's from, ta-da! Boing Benefit. Next guys, we're gonna be using this cool color from this palette. This one. And then let's add some this one. Alright guys, so we're gonna be applying this color, this one. Wow. And then this lighter color. And next, we're not yet done. We're gonna be using black eyeliner to have grapes here. Still the same process for this one. Alright guys, the grapes are already here. Okay, but I'm not just satisfied with that. I'm putting a shadow on my grapes using white eyeliner, my favorite. This is my savior. Ta-da! Just the same thing with the other one. Guys, for the leaves, we're gonna put white. Ta-da! Then we're gonna dab a little bit of green for the leaves. And once it's already dry, we can apply that. Okay, so we need this brush, this one. Let's get the darker one. This.
Alright guys, so to be able to get more color, you have to wet the brush first so that the color will look more vibrant.
We're not yet done, guys. So excited for this. Okay.
Forget your eyeliner and, of course, mascara. For the eyebrows, I'm using Milani, shade of dark brown. And don't forget the eyebrow gel after that. Enjoy!
And guys, contour. Highlighter. Blush on.
Don't forget guys, your falsies and your black eyeliner. Yeah, so my butter ran out here.
Next is the surprise. So guys, I put a stencil here, diamond. So we're gonna use the purple. We're not gonna stop using it. So purple, using a stick brush in this.
You don't actually believe a single word I'm saying, do you? Oh, sure, of course I believe you. Great. Just repeat the words I'm about to say, alright? Moon, prism, power.
And guys, setting spray.
Moon, prism, power! Laser!
Are you ready guys? This is it.
So this is it, guys. This video for like 2 days because I love you guys. I want to have a tutorial of swatches as well as review about this beauty glaze. I really love this. It doesn't I noticed that it doesn't have really smell. It doesn't have any smell at all. So what you can smell is actually from the box, not from the product.
However, guys, I received a message from one of our skincare community, and this beauty glaze, it has asbestos, as they said, but it's not yet confirmed, so we'll find out.
That's it, guys. Thank you guys for watching. So if you do like this video, this tutorial, this review, swatches, please do hit like, comment down below, and hit subscribe. And don't forget to click the notification bell so that you'll get updated with my latest video. So alright, thank you guys for watching. See you guys in my next video. Stay safe, calm, and have a good vibe. See ya guys in my next video.
Strange things are happening in this city. Even the police can't handle what's going on. A dangerous enemy has appeared. You're the only one who can defeat this enemy. You're the guardian that's been chosen for this mission.